Don't buy a new Galaxy Watch yet. The latest Galaxy Watch 9 leaks reveal one upgrade that could change everything, and you won't believe what Samsung is finally fixing. Because the latest Galaxy Watch 9 leaks suggest Samsung may finally be fixing the biggest complaints users have had for years. And if these rumors are accurate, this might not just be another yearly refresh. It could be Samsung's biggest smartwatch upgrade in a very long time. At first glance, the Galaxy Watch 9 might look familiar. Samsung isn't expected to completely redesign it this year. The signature rounded square body with the circular display is reportedly staying, along with the durable armor aluminum frame that has become a signature of the Galaxy Watch lineup. But look a little closer, and the changes start to become more interesting. Leaked renders point to noticeably slimmer bezels, giving the display a cleaner and more premium appearance without changing the overall design. It's a subtle upgrade, but one that could make the watch feel much more modern on your wrist. Samsung is also expected to offer two familiar sizes, 40mm and 44mm, both featuring bright Super AMOLED displays protected by sapphire crystal glass. Durability should remain one of the watch's strongest features, with water and dust resistance, plus military-grade toughness. New color options are also rumored, giving buyers a few fresh choices without changing the watch's overall identity. Now here's where things become much more exciting. According to multiple leaks, Samsung could be making a major change inside the Watch 9 by replacing its Exynos processor with Qualcomm's brand new Snapdragon wearable platform. If that happens, it would be one of the most significant hardware upgrades we've seen in years. The new chip is expected to include a dedicated neural processing unit, allowing more AI-powered features to run directly on the watch instead of relying on your phone. That means faster responses, smarter features, and a much smoother overall experience. But perhaps the biggest benefit isn't raw speed. Qualcomm is also promising much better power efficiency. And that brings us back to the question from the beginning. Could battery life finally see a meaningful improvement? The answer isn't completely straightforward. Leaks suggest the smaller 40mm model will receive a larger battery than before, while the bigger 44mm version may keep the same battery capacity. That means any extra battery life on the larger model will likely come from the new processor rather than a bigger battery. Charging speeds, however, aren't expected to change, so don't expect dramatically faster top-ups just yet. The new chip is also rumored to bring built-in ultra-wideband support. While it may not sound exciting at first, it could unlock much more accurate device tracking and improved digital key functionality, making the watch even more useful in everyday life. Interestingly, Samsung doesn't appear to be increasing RAM or storage this year, suggesting the focus is entirely on making the watch smarter rather than simply boosting specifications. Samsung also seems to be putting extra attention into personalization. Several new watch bands have already appeared in leaks, including refreshed sport bands, softer pastel colors, the return of a hybrid leather option, and a redesigned marine-style band for a more athletic look. They're small additions, but they help keep the watch feeling fresh. The biggest transformation, however, may happen through software. The Galaxy Watch 9 is expected to launch with a stronger focus on AI-powered health features than any previous Samsung smartwatch. One of the most talked about additions is a new heart health score that combines multiple health readings into one simple daily number, making it much easier to understand your overall condition. Samsung is also rumored to introduce daily cardio load, a feature that helps determine when your body is ready for intense exercise and when it's better to recover. Another new fitness index could compare your performance with people in your own age group, giving your workout data much more context than simple step counts or calorie numbers. Health tracking may go even further with a redesigned Vitals dashboard that organizes important information more clearly, along with a new hearing health feature that monitors long-term noise exposure. Together, these upgrades suggest Samsung isn't just adding new sensors, it's trying to make the information you already collect much more useful. As for pricing, current leaks suggest Samsung will likely keep the standard Galaxy Watch 9 close to last year's starting price, while LTE models will naturally cost a little more. One rumor that continues to stand out is the apparent absence of a classic model, indicating Samsung may stick with its current lineup for another year. Samsung's next Unpacked event is expected to take place in late July, so we shouldn't have to wait much longer for official confirmation. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Galaxy Watch 9 won't be revolutionary because of how it looks. It'll stand out because of what it can do. Smarter AI, better health tracking, improved efficiency, and the possibility of longer battery life could make this the upgrade many Galaxy Watch users have been waiting for.